So how did I first get into photography? I got a Canon 450D for my birthday one year with just kind of standard kit lens. I started taking pictures of things that I thought I should be taking pictures of. So I was going to like a lot of really boring woodlands and mountains and tried to be a landscape photographer, and it just wasn't working out. And I realized I was just way more interested in people. I think my approach to portraiture is often quite a kind of sensitive one. I think I spend a lot of time really trying to get to know someone so that they feel at ease. I want to make people feel comfortable before taking their picture, especially if it's someone you haven't like met before, or they're maybe not really used to having their photograph taken, and you've got like 45 minutes or something. A lot of the time, your time is best spent actually chatting to them and get to know them and making sure that they feel totally at ease with you. One of the things I look for in a camera is obviously image quality, but also something like how big it is and how heavy it is, so that I can get into positions I want to when I'm shooting, because I'm often kind of changing positions quite a lot. But I kind of like to, I don't know, shoot from below or get them looking behind, or think of what wasn't really the conventional portrait. When I first started taking portraits, I did definitely photograph in a way that I thought was the proper way. But I don't really think that there is a proper way. Part of the kind of fun of taking a portrait is getting to that right angle and getting to know someone and bringing out maybe part of who they are and their personality.